Add money to Wise. Hey guys, okay? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video I show you the step-by-step process to add money to your Wise account. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel where I make several tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, here on the channel there are already more related videos, including the initial video on how to open your account at Wise. If you're in doubt, I'll leave it now on the card. So come on guys, to add money, you're going to click here on the account with the Brazilian flag, and we're going to put it in reals. So you're going to have some options like convert, send, and more, but we're going to click on the add option. That asks how much money you want to put in, and to make this video, I'm going to put $10 here and click below to continue. Now it will give you two options to make the payment, by Pix or manual bank transfer. I'm going to choose the first Pix option. That one asks if I'm the account holder, or if I have a joint account, or I'm the account holder. And I'm going to click down here to continue. Here, your Pix code will appear. Then you'll open your banking app. Look for the Pix option and click on the Pix copy and paste option. First, I'm going to copy this code. Then I'm going to open the banking app and paste this code to make the payment. There's already a video here on the channel showing all the steps. I'll drop it in the card now. After you make the payment in your banking app, you'll return to the Wise app and click down here to return to the home screen. So, the money you've added has already landed in your Wise account. Got any questions? Just drop it in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be here. Big hug, stay blessed, thanks.